Academy. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go! He's going for it. Strategically.
Got it.
Keep going! 11th graders, cheer for your grade!
Use your tongue.
You got it, keep going. Come on, John. Keep going, keep going.
Suck in the water to bring the apple closer.
Oh my gosh. You almost got it. Keep going. Open your mouth really wide. You almost got it. Keep going, keep going. This is timed.
It's already past 16 seconds.
Yeah. It's like almost a minute so far.
Keep going, keep going. You got it. Keep going. Keep going. Stick your head in there.
Yeah, you're the top of your head.
Cheer for John. He's still